Alright, so this is my sprint recap from sprint 1. I clocked in 16 points. So just go to my first story. The first thing that I did this sprint was I migrated all of the data that I had over on Parse onto MLab, which is a MongoDB based database. I had 3 different sets of data to gather. One was Zombies Interactive Production, the other was Zenwalk Production, and then the third was Zombies Interactive Developer Edition. And so this is how I did it. I migrated the data over. I made a temporary local parse server to test the new database. Then I hosted that temporary server on Heroku. Then I associated the Heroku server with the MLab database, and then I had to update the Parse SDK, my iOS SDK, and it turned out that I didn't need to update any API calls. So I'll move on to my other user story, which is a bit more of a design argument. If you want to get people to respond to more detailed scaffolded questions in order to build effective lasting habits, then you are best advised to create scaffolded interactions with physical actions that complement the object of interest, because users will be more willing to collect more complex data if the physical interactions feel authentic within the story. So basically there's this element of complementing the physical action with both the object and storyline, or either or. And essentially I wanted to determine whether interactions related to the object or storyline are more engaging. I came up with 3 new scaffolded interactions. This is kind of like my template for creating new interactions, so these stories don't mean too much other than I brainstormed, I built, I designed, and I executed a user test, and right now I'm going to play for you the audio clips that the people that I tested heard.